Fields of gold in the early dawn, wind through the pines and the river bends. Feels like the sky never ends. Every mile got a story to tell, from the valley low to the mountain swell. Lift your eyes where the blue runs wide. Let the open world be your guide. Take that highway to the horizon line, where the sky meets earth in the fading shine. Let the wheels keep turning and the worries fall. There's a big wide world and we're chasing it all. Dust in the air and the sunset glows. Long winding road where the freedom flows. From the canyon edge to the rolling plains, every turn just calls my name.